Hey guys, it's Victoria. So in this video, I wanted to talk to you about the American English consonant, as in thank you. So is a voiceless dental fricative. So what that means is that your vocal folds are off, they are not vibrating. It is dental, meaning that the point of contact is between your tongue and your upper teeth, and it's a fricative, so the airflow is continuous. So the voiceless TH sound is a little bit easier than the voice TH sound because you don't have to coordinate the whole additional variable of voicing. So it does tend to be a little bit less tricky than its voiced counterpart. But it is still a little bit difficult for a lot of my clients, and it's because it's the tongue stability required to get a good th sound can be difficult to coordinate. So to make the th sound, what you need to do is start thinking what's going on at the back of your mouth. So I want you to create a seal between the back of your tongue and your molars. So create a seal, 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 seal. Full seal, i.e. I don't want any air leaking out, or you might get air puff out into your cheeks. We do not want that. So from there, once your tongue is up, 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 using the extrinsic muscles of your tongue, from there you put your tongue against your teeth and you let the air out in a continual fashion, just like that. So I'm going to read you some words with the voiceless TH sound. Here we go. So we have think, thought, everything, something, thing, month, author, Thursday, 3, healthy, birthday, method. So that's all for this one. See you guys in the next video. Bye.